It's funny, sometimes you hear people say that in this painting the light is really important. And I think in all paintings the light is important. In the Night Watch you see a more or less dark background with two main figures in the front. So that makes it especially interesting for lighting with new light. We need to have new lamps for the museum, and we've got Philips as our partner. And they've suggested to draw up a team to give us advice on how to develop this new LED spots.
What is really special about this project is first that the client is very prestigious. I mean, we're talking to a world-class museum. These customers know what they want, and by the moment they know what they want it now.
We've got this team together called the Iconic Projects team, and it's a continuous exchanging of ideas. I've asked just what I wanted. I want to have the most perfect lamp, if possible. They sometimes were dared to make new solutions for difficult aspects of a lamp.
The original design used a standard track system that was forced into this suspended chandelier piece. Even though it was functional, it didn't look very good, but no one had a really good solution for it. So we took a step back. We came up with a monopoint mounting that used a simple magnet piece and greatly reduced the visual clutter.
So this painting you can see is much cooler. This is the 17th century Dutch painting, and this is a 15th century Italian painting, quite a different color key.
With LED you have to rethink a lot of parts of a lamp.
Yeah, I love the contrast when it gets to like the gold gets out. Like
the gold really,
like,
I mean it's glowing. It changes our ideas and our feeling in a museum.
But with this project we had to demonstrate to the museum that they didn't have to compromise on the quality of the light.
We're trying to push the need to challenge them to find out what is the very best that we need to get from all the Philips departments to achieve this.
We talked to Lumileds, we talked to the Fortimo group, we talked to the factory at Tomasi. We asked them what they had, what they could do, and what was coming out in the near term. And this was how we accelerated these parts to market. So we cut at least a half a year off of the timeline in a typical launch.
That's probably what is the essence of the Iconic project.
So that's why we prototyped this quick piece, and now we're making a real
working
piece.
Yeah. Okay, there it is.
See, this is...
Yeah, at least you see.
So what we do is we shape the beam with this.
Oh yeah. So it makes the light wide.
It makes the light wide.
Specific
This is
use.
what I would use on the Night Watch.
So Brad, so if you turn that, well, we want to have re-win the background of the Night Watch. Yeah, that's it. It really makes a difference, actually. Then the new lamps were installed, and it was really like magic. There was a lot of depth in the painting that we didn't see before. Colors came out even more beautiful, which was very special to note. But the overall effect was really a wow effect. The Dutch 17th century painters were masters of light. And Philips is, so to speak, a master of light as well, because they master all the techniques and the quality of fixtures, of lamps and lighting.